Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Hunter.io email finder automations for Outreach step by step clearly. To restore Hunter.io email finder automations for Outreach, start by logging into your Hunter.io account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find an overview of your email finder tools. Locate the Automations tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Automations to access your existing automations. If you have previously created automations, you will see a list displayed here. To restore an automation, find the one you want to reactivate. Click on the Restore button next to the automation you wish to bring back. This action will prompt a confirmation message asking you to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, the automation will be reactivated and returned to your active automations list. Next, review the details of the restored automation to ensure everything is set up correctly. If modifications are needed, click on the automation to edit its settings. Make any necessary changes, such as adjusting the email template or adding new triggers. After making your adjustments, save the changes to ensure they take effect. Now, it's important to run a test to confirm the automation functions as intended. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague to verify the content and delivery. Once confirmed, your automation is now fully operational and set to collect emails as specified. Monitor the results regularly to track the success of your outreach efforts. Make any further adjustments as needed to optimize your email finder automations. You have successfully restored and configured your Hunter.io email finder automations for Outreach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.